Assalamualaikum. I am Atiqa Ali from Kalaka Memorial National Comprehensive High School. So today we will learn about grade 7 mathematics. So before we start, let's prepare our module, notebook, and pen. So after reading through this module, you are expected to define and describe the different set operation, perform set operation, and represent set operation using Venn diagram. So there are 4 basic arithmetic operations. These are addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So we also have 4 basic set operations. First is the union of set. So what is the union of set? The union of set is the set of elements that belongs to set A or set B or both. So ensemble, we have AUB read as A union B. So in the Venn diagram, you can see that the violet shaded region is the union of set A and set B. So pag sinabi natin union, ang ibig sabihin nun ay pagsasamahin natin yung 2 or more set. So for example, if find the union of set A which contains the elements 2, 3, 4 and set B which contains the elements 3, 4, 5. So, pagsasamahin natin, so we have, okay, right, we have 2, 3, 4, and 5. Remember, hindi dapat inuulit yung the same element. So, hindi uulitin yung 4. Okay. Second is the intersection of set. Okay, intersection of set is a set of elements that belongs to both set A and set B, or it is the set of the common elements in A and B. So ensemble, we have A reverse B, or read as A intersection B. As you can see in the Venn diagram, in the figure 1 and 2, the violet shaded region is the intersection of two or more sets. So from the definition itself, we can say that intersection is the common element. So ang titingnan mo lang sa mga set 2 or more 3 sets is yung parehas sa kanila. So for example, a given, we have set A with an elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, set B with an elements 2, 4, 6, and set C with an elements 1, 3, 5, and so on. We will find A intersection C, B intersection C. So as you can see, letter A. Ano yung parehas sa A at saka C? Okay, very good. Ang parehas sa A at saka C is 1, 3, and 5. So our answer is 1, 3, 5. Okay, how about letter B? We have B intersection C. So ano yung parehas sa B at saka C? Okay, wala silang parehas. So pag walang parehas or wala silang parehas sa kabilang set, ang answer natin is empty set. Okay, very good. Okay, third one is the complement of a set. Okay, what is a complement of a set? A complement of a set is a set of all elements in the universal set that are not in set A. So in example, we have A apostrophe or A to the power of C read as A complement. As you can see in the Venn diagram, the violet shaded region is the complement of set A. So, ang complement naman, class, is yun yung mga elements na makikita mo sa universal set na wala sa set A. So, for example, we have given universal set 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and set A which contains 1, 3, 5, we will find A complement. Okay. Ano yung mga elements rather, na makikita mo sa universal set na wala sa A? Okay, very good. That is 2 and 4. Okay, lastly, we have the difference of set. Okay, what is the difference of set? The difference of set is the set containing elements of set A but not in B, or all elements of A except elements of B, or in ensemble we have A dash B read as A minus B. So, as you can see in the Venn diagram, the violet shaded region is the difference of set A and set B. So, difference is from subtraction. So, ang gagawin natin is tatanggalin natin yung mga elements ng set B na nasa set A. Yung matitira is yun ang answer. So, given, we have set A contains elements 3, 4, 5, and 6. And set B, which contains elements 2, 4, 6, 8, we will find A minus B, and letter B we will find B minus A. Okay, ano yung mga elements na makikita nyo sa set B, na nasa set B, na nasa set A? Okay, the answer is 3 and 5. Okay, ngayon naman, ano yung mga elements na makikita mo sa A na nasa set B? So, tanggalin nyo. Ang matitira is 2 and 8. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I hope you understand and learn the basic set operation. Inshallah, if Allah's will, we will meet for our next topic.